Hello, my name is Teacher Brenda from Young Learners Curriculum. Today we're going to do a paper airplane, and it's going to be unlike any other way that you've seen a paper airplane. I'm going to be drawing the arrows to help you create a paper airplane. So the only thing that you're going to need, you don't need to draw the arrows, you're just going to use them to guide you along the folding, is a white piece of paper. So our white piece of paper, we're going to turn it to a rectangle and you're going to fold it inward. Now, you're probably thinking, where will I fold it, teacher? I'm not sure. So I will show you. There's our line. You see that line? Right in the middle. You're going to fold your paper and crease. Next, we're going to take our paper and we're going to fold it towards the middle. Hold on one second. You see here? Towards the arrows. And one. And the other one. Try to keep the top part. It's okay if it's not perfect. So, there on the line. So it kind of looks like a house. This is our second part. Again, downward. Great. Now we're ready for the next step. The next step is I'm going to fold it again. Now draw the arrows so you can see them. There's your house. And I'm going to turn it and we're going to fold it again. Let's show you. And I'll show you when I lift it up for you. And we're going to fold it towards the arrow. 1 and 2. Now you can see your paper airplane. Let's fold it all together. Now remember, you can always slow the video down and go back. And the last step, we're going to create the wings. How do I create the wings? I'm going to start on the edges and I'm going to fold down halfway. Okay, see I have 2 arrows and I'm going to fold. Now remember, to bend it, it's easier. And let's try to keep them on the line. There, that's one way. And then I will do it on the other side. Hold it all together while you're doing this. Start at the big side, it's easier. And you just line it up with the bottom of the airplane. And you're going to fold it. And dun, 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 dun. There we go. And now we have a very nice airplane. Now don't forget to draw yourself on the airplane because you're going to be taking a ride. So I'm going to draw myself as a passenger on my airplane so that I can take a ride. And I'm going to have a big smile. Don't forget to draw yourself. You've got your paper airplane and you are ready to take flight. Enjoy our quick paper airplane with a little guidance. And don't forget to join us for our next story, which is about origami and Tommy's adventures in Japan. It's called Japan in a Jiffy. We will have 4 levels. Pre-A1 for those that are beginner readers. Then we go to A1 for grades 1 and 2. Then we have A2 for grades 3 and 4. And then we have B1 for grades 5 and 6. Have a great day and enjoy the quick and easy paper airplane guided by arrows. Bye!